What is up YouTube, IDM here and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to install a couple of themes into Weather HTML in this video. Now I did a full-on guide for Weather HTML, how to install it, and I wanted to do a quick video on changing the themes because I feel like a lot of people are having issues with changing the themes for this shortcut. Now if you guys don't know what this is, basically it's a shortcut that will apply a bunch of crazy information to your wallpapers and set those as your wallpapers on your lock screen and your home screen. It's basically like jailbreak widgets, but for no jailbreak. It's pretty insane. So I'm going to install two new themes, one for the lock screen, one for the home screen, and show you guys how to enable it. Now, unfortunately, this is the second take for this video. I screwed up the first time, so I already have the files there, but I'm going to redo them just to show you guys the process. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Discord application, and where you're going to want to download these themes is from the gallery in the iHeaven Discord. So you just go down here, and you can see Weather HTML Gallery. Now, I want to install this home screen theme here by The Way to Zion and ATT57, and also this lock screen theme here by Byron. As you can see, that's what the theme looks like. So once we install it, that's what our lock screen is going to look like. It's going to give us all of our current weather information, some calendar events, and a bunch of other stuff. So very, very cool. So to kick this off, we'll do the lock screen first. Here's the download. So we're just going to click on download. And like I said, if you guys don't know what I'm doing, be sure to check out my Weather HTML tutorial. I'll leave the video link in the description. So I'm going to click on more, and now I'm going to save this to my files. And the directory we want to save it to is iCloud Drive, Shortcuts, iOS Weather, and then O2 Weather HTML. It's already selected on there, but that's the folder you want to select. We'll click on save, and now we'll do the other theme, the theme for the home screen right here. Again, download link, download. We'll do more, again, save to files, and we are still in the O2 Weather HTML. Click on save, and now I have saved both of these zip files to our file system. So I'm going to go into files, and as you can see, I'm already in Weather HTML. I'm going to back up to show you guys again the directory. It's pretty straightforward. So iCloud Drive, Shortcuts, iOS Weather, O2 Weather HTML, and there they are. Now I already have them in here, but at this point what you want to do is unzip it. As you can see, it made it a number 2 because I already have one, and then unzip the other one. And then at this point what you can do is you can delete the zip files. You don't need the zip files in there once you have unzipped them. So you don't need those. Now, like I said, I already have them. It's the BKS Oros 2 and then TWTZHS. As you can see, there's a 2 behind those, so I already have them. I'm just going to delete them. Disregard this part. I just kind of goofed up when I did the first tutorial. So now at this point, what I like to do is copy the names. We need to edit the theme.json. The theme.json is the file which tells the shortcut which one of these themes we want to use and to apply. So the best way to do this that I have found, you can either memorize the name or you can copy it. So I'm just going to go ahead and hold on the folder there, and I'm going to do rename, and then you can click on it and copy the name. Then just click done, and now we can go ahead and open this file by clicking share. I'm going to open it in Textastic, and then we need to change the name at the top here. Like I said, I already did it, but I'll do it again just to show you. And I put a space here just so it's easier for me to click in between the quotations to paste. So there you go. Paste the name, and now I need to get rid of that space because this has to be spelled exactly to the folder name. So we have done the lock screen. Now I'm going to do the home screen one. Again, same process. Click and hold on the folder, rename, click on the name, copy, click done. We'll go back to here, and again, I already put the name there, but I'll just redo it so you guys can see. And I'm just going to move the cursor there, delete that. I put a space only because it helps me click paste in between the quotations. Paste, and now the space is at the beginning. So we need to get rid of that space. And I also have the home screen disabled right now. So if you want one of these disabled, you change it to 0. So if you want to use only the home screen, you can change that number to 0. Or if you want to use only the lock screen, you can change that to 1 and 0. So 0 is yes and 1 is, or sorry, 1 is yes and 0 is no. I know it's confusing. But there we go. We have told the file which ones we want to use. Now we can run weather HTML, and apparently I have that annoying shortcuts bug where it doesn't show me what it's doing, and there we go. So now we'll run the shortcut, and as you guys will see, my device will use those themes for my home screen and my lock screen. And I think that this shortcut is just amazing. It's so cool what you can do with it. It's incredibly powerful. A lot of people have been asking me, am I going to create themes for this? And I probably will. I will need some time before I can. There's a lot going on right now with iOS 15 coming out and all of that stuff. So I will probably create some of these. Just give me some time. And there you go. Now when we exit, as you guys will see, we have it on apparently the home screen. Did I do that backwards? So here's the lock screen. As you can see, that looks freaking cool as hell. And it looks like I goofed up the home screen. So let's go back in here. Let me go ahead and go into edit mode so I can see what I placed. Nope, I did do it correct. So what we can do, we got to move icons around to make it look cool, but we can just select these 4, move this over to this page, and that's how it's meant to be, just a set of icons at the top and a set at the bottom. Of course, I could throw some custom icons in here to really set it off and make it look crazy, but that's what it looks like. As you can see, it's pretty insane. We got like a forecast at the bottom, the current weather condition, the temperature, same as the lock screen. That's what that theme looks like. I have no calendar events coming up, so it says next appointments and it's blank. That's just because I have no calendar events, but as you can see, my city, the temperature, the high, the low, the Thursday forecast, Friday, when this was last updated, the sunrise, the sunset. It's absolutely insane. And like I said, this is no jailbreak kind of stuff, so pretty damn cool. That's, again, how you're going to change themes with weather HTML. Again, if you guys haven't seen my original tutorial on how to install the shortcut, be sure to check that out. Link is in the description. But this has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.